Hey everyone, hope your day is going good. Jesse from Elite Auto Pro coming to you live on this Tuesday afternoon. So we are full today. We got quite a bit going on, and so I'll just kind of walk around and give you a preview. So we have this one, Kia Sorento, came back for just a couple week checkup on a paint protection film job. Everything looked great. We like to do 2 week checkups just to check all of our edges, everything like that, make sure everything looks good so that we can fix anything necessary right away. So this brand new Hyundai Tucson was in. We did a partial PPF job here, 18 inches back from the hood, front of the fender tips, headlights, mirror caps, and we got our door edges here. We also tinted the front two roll-ups to match the rear. Hopefully it's not too windy and you could hear me there. Heading into the back, we've actually got a combination of jobs here. This is in for some dent repair actually. We had some damage down here. So we're gonna fix this with paintless dent repair, and then it actually is gonna get painted through it's an insurance claim, just because there are some scrapes into the paint there. This Tesla Model Y is actually in for an extreme dent repair. We're getting close to being done with this panel. This is the rear door actually. And the reason we have it up here is because there's about two simultaneous, probably close to 20-inch creases all the way through here, horizontal creases. And so we're still working this a little bit before we do some polishing work on it. We've got a couple smaller ones down here. We'll take care of it as well for them. And then we also have this gnarly dent in the back here in the lift gate. There's some crack paint here, so this will be repainted as well. But we like to help out our clients best we can, even if it's paint work that we don't actually do in-house here. So this Model 3 is back for its 2 week checkup, the matte PPF job that we did, but we're also doing a windshield ceramic tint on this. Here we have this Explorer. It's actually pretty sweet, a Timberline edition. You don't see too many of these out there. But we are, we have the factory dyed glass back here, but we're actually going to be blacking that out with 20% film over that. So it's going to be 5% limo tint all the way around. And then also, we've got these two front roll-ups here are going to be at 5%, and we're doing the windshield on this too. So hope everyone has a great afternoon. Just want to touch base, let you know what we're doing here at Elite Auto Pro, and we'll talk to you soon.